complete that attack is to create a fake access point that will actually host a captive portal. You remember that in the previous video we had the fake access point created, but we were redirected to an empty page because we didn't have the captive portal on our web server. Now there are actually two ways to do that, and in this video I will show you one which actually is more suitable for the Argeddon tool, and that is using the Lite HTTPD web server, and the second one is using the Apache 2 web server, and there you can actually copy any page you want and host it there. But with the Apache 2 web server I will show you that once we actually get to the man in the middle section, and once we actually start redirecting users to our fake page, then I will show you how you can clone any page you want, whether it is Facebook page, Instagram page. All you need to do in order to perform this attack, the same way we did previously, is simply just type systemctl start Lite TPD, I believe this is the name, and once you actually type this actual httpd.servers, it is active and running. Okay, so we will simply just quit. If you want to, you can simply just check out the previous video. It is not really that hard to follow. We simply just press continue everywhere and possibly add something that the program needs, such as for example the 4-way handshake later on. Press enter to continue. We want to continue right here. Press enter to continue. Choose your actual wireless networking interface. Let's go with the evil twin attack, which is number 7. Put our card into the monitor mode, and then continue with the script, and then after it we want the evil twin AP attack with captive portal. Press enter to continue, press enter to continue, and right here, once it actually captures all the actual wireless access points around us, we can simply just Control C right here. Wait for this to finish, and it will print out all the access points right here. Now we need to find the access point that we want, which is in our case this one. It is labeled as numbered 36, so I will simply just type here 36. You type any number you want, or basically any number that your access point is right here. Press 36. We wanted the authentication AirPlay attack, so number 2. If you want to interpret, do you want to enable DOS pursuit mode? We don't want that at the moment. We don't want another interface being used. Press enter here as well, and we don't want to spoof our own MAC address because this is simply just an actual test, and here it asks us do we already have a capture handshake. We say yes. The actual path is in my case home user desktop test scan-01.cap. Press here enter. It has been checked, so it found the actual handshake. Let us see right here. If the password for the Wi-Fi network is achieved, you must decide where to save it. Type, so we want to save it right there at the default actual location, which is right here. And now we can actually continue with the script. The last thing it will ask us is which language we want. We want English language. Press here enter, and now the actual attack has started, and it will open up 6 terminals. As we can see, this one is the access point, and right now the last terminal that opens up is the Lite HTTPD actual service, which will host our fake captive portal. And as we can see right here, in the previous video we didn't have it started, and right now we do have it started. And let me just go right here, just in case. I will simply just turn the Apache 2 offline, so it doesn't actually present us the problem. And right now I will switch to my actual Windows 10 machine. And once we go here, first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect from the actual cable connection, as we can see right here. And right now, what you actually need to do in order to actually be able to deauthenticate anyone from the real access point is you can simply just open up the terminal on your laptop or on your actual hacking machine and perform the AirPlay authentication on that specific target. That we already covered in the previous videos. Once we actually perform the air crack, so you can simply just do that. And once you disconnect everyone from the actual real access point, you can simply just let them connect back automatically to the second access point. So right here, if they connect, now I'm not going to show you how to deauthenticate. I already showed you before, and you can see as soon as it connects, it performed the redirect request right here, and it performed it to the actual page where it is asked for the user, or in our case for the target, to input the password for the actual wireless network. Now you saw that it actually redirects you automatically to this page. As we can see right here, it says enter your wireless network password to get internet access, and right here if you simply just type incorrect password, so let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, we press here enter, you can see that this site can't be reached, so no internet. That means that we actually performed or that we actually inputted the incorrect password. So if we actually refresh this and right now input the correct password, the password is correct, the connection will be re-established in a few moments. Now let's switch back to our actual laptop, and right here you can see that it found the password, so password captured successfully, and right here it outputs what the password is for that specific wireless access point. Below here it actually says that it saved file on this actual location, and press enter on the main script window to continue. This window will be closed, so press here enter, restoring interfaces, and right here once you actually capture the password you can simply just exit the script and you perform the attack successfully. So let me just see right here, yes, okay, so everything is set back, we found the password, we managed to actually hack the wireless network with the Evil Twin attack, and now we can connect back to that specific actual wireless access point. Okay, so basically that would be about it for the Evil Twin attack and for this method of actually hosting the fake captive portal. And the second method, which is actually used to host any page, as I said before, is going to be over Apache 2, and I will show you that in the next section, which is the section of man-in-the-middle attack. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope I will see you in the next section where we will start off with one of the most famous attacks called man-in-the-middle attack. Hope I see you there, and take care. Bye.